Light Sweet Crude Daily Forecast, July 12th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude markets had a fairly quiet session on Wednesday, but did manage to bounce a bit from the 85 level. Because of this, we have a bit of a 3 point setup, at least in our opinion, and we think the following levels are what matter. The 85 level, which we would consider broken at 84.50, would set up a sell position to race down towards the recent lows at about $78. Of course, 78 gives way, then it becomes a little bit more aggressive. On the other hand, the 90 level could set up resistive trades, in other words, shorts from this area based upon resistive candles. But we could also, of course, manage to break above this third area, and that would send us to $100 as best we can tell. The reason markets will set up like this quite often has more to do with the fact that everything's tight and headline driven, which of course this market very much is right now. So it makes sense. There will be dangers of spikes in prices due to things going on with the Iranians at the moment, but then again, there are possibilities of sudden falls as well, based upon dollar strengthening, or perhaps something that the Iranians say or do. So, having said that, this is going to be a very volatile market, so it's not one that we like trading long term now. And it is because of that that we take each of these possible signals and mark out a area to take profits at. Below the 78 level, we think 75 will be the first area to take profits, but that becomes a little bit more aggressive because it shows a little bit more weakness. But with the sell-off that oil seen, we think more than likely we're going to continue to bounce around in this general vicinity. Having said that, a breaking of this level here at 84.50 has us selling for a short-term sell, and a break of the top has us buying for maybe a $9 or $10, depending on what price you get on the daily close above the 90 level trade. Weakness at 90 has us selling as well. So there are multiple different levels here that we can look at, but the reason why we have so many areas in such a short amount of time is because it is so headline driven currently.